Alrighty, hosses. So this is going to be the last video covering Site Analyzer. I just have a few other things I want to cover before we move on to something else. And the first thing is this tasks section. It's kind of a difficult word for me to say. Tasks. Tasks. Nailed it. Alright. So this is pretty much a built-in to-do list, and it's very handy for keeping track of everything, all the issues that you need to fix on your site. Now, the quickest way to make them is actually if you just go to Page Analysis and click on your one of your analysis. How do you say that? I'm having such a hard time talking today. All right, so here are a bunch of issues that we need to work on, and they already have a check mark next to each one. So if you want to, you really don't need to fix some of these, you can uncheck them. You're like, I really don't need to worry about that. My site's a video site, really not worried about text to code ratio. But keep the ones checked that you want to work on and just hit add to my task list. So if you click on this, you can see that all of those are right there, and you can start working on them. And whenever you're done, just go ahead and click this little box right here, and it's going to delete it from your list. Another cool thing that you can do is, instead of just getting all of these from the page analysis, you can actually write your own manually. So what I like to do is I actually like to break it up, and I like to separate these groups by person. So for example, I'm gonna have a task, and this task is just buy pizza. So this is gonna go under the group Bucky, add my task. So now you see that this, the newboston.com, that's everything I need to do for this website right here. Now under Bucky just needs to buy pizza. Now actually, I also need to like watch TV. And I actually just want to add this to Bucky. So I'm going to do that and check it out. Now Bucky has another task, buy pizza and watch TV. Now Eric is the main web developer for my website. And I'll say fix everything right there. So fix everything, and that can go under Eric. So again, of course, I would help him out. And actually, I'm doing the SEO, and he's doing some of the more technical stuff right now. But I just want to show you guys that if you have multiple people working on your site, you can actually break it up and separate the task into different groups. Very handy. Or if you want, you can just have one major list, and then you can all work on it together or by yourself, whatever. And the settings section here, this is really nothing that mind-blowing. Again, this is just all your account information. So if you want to change your password or your profile picture or anything like that, then you can. Regular settings. Now this last little tab I want to talk about, the white label. What you can do is you can actually generate reports for customers. So say that you wanted to, start an SEO company where clients would come to you and be like, hey, can you analyze my site? I'll pay you some money, maybe fix some problems, give you some more money. Well, what you want to do first is you want to analyze your site and generate a report for them. Now, the report is essentially just the crawl data. I mean, it's all the stuff that we saw already, all the issues with all the different pages, keyword info and stuff like that. But by default, you have a template that looks kind of generic. What you can actually do is you can actually create your own custom template. So I'll say Bucky's theme, and I'll hit save. So whenever you hit save, it automatically brings you into the editor, and you can just change stuff like, I don't know, maybe I want to change this text. Maybe I don't want to make it bold. Maybe I want to change the color to blue, something like that. So again, this is essentially just the look and feel. So if your company is, has a certain color theme it likes to follow or something like that, you can go ahead and customize it to your liking, change the font size, the font family, whatever. Now, once you're done, just go ahead and hit save. So again, this has nothing to do with the actual information, such as the crawl data or keywords or anything. This is just the look and feel of the document. So once you got it designed how you want, go ahead and close that out. So this is your template, but now how do we actually generate a report? Well, what you do is you go up to crawls right here, and whenever a client comes to you, go ahead to their website and paste it in and crawl it. So I already got this one right here. Again, this is the one we looked at in the last video, which was just my site. And once it crawled your site, just go ahead and click C. So this is just going to bring you to, again, we already looked at all this, pretty much the overview or analysis for your site. Now from here, instead of just clicking on all these tabs, you actually want to hit export. So this is going to go ahead and export your final report so your customer can view it. So I'm just going to export this to a PDF document, and let me go ahead and choose Bucky's theme. So again, if you got a bunch of different color schemes, you can pick them right here. And now you can also give it a title and a subtitle. So the title can just be like report for the new Boston.com. I'll say SEO report. SEO report for the new Boston.com. And for the subtitle, I'll just write Bucky Roberts. So that's going to be the home page for the report. Now just hit download, and that's it. So it's going to go ahead and generate your PDF, download it, and check this out. Once it's done downloading, this is the thing that you're going to want to give to your customer. So double click that. And I should probably add my logo right here. That'd be a little bit better. But check it out. All of the results, and let me boost this up so you guys can see. Basically everything we looked at before, but now your customer can see it much better. Now this is actually really useful. Not only, let's say you want to start an SEO company, not only can you just give them the results, but say that you wanted to land a potential client. Well, it's hard to convince them that, you know, this is actually useful stuff and there's a bunch of problems with their website. So you may want to generate a report for free and give to them. And once they read it, they're going to be like, well, I actually do have a bunch of problems with my website. I need someone to fix these. And then you're like, oh, well, how about me? So again, there's a bunch of different ways that you can make money with SEO. A lot of people do it for a living, either just analyzing someone's site, or you can analyze it and fix the issues. So again, that is what Site Analyzer is. Now that you guys have a brief overview of it, you saw all the different parts of it, you can decide if you want to sign up for an account. Again, I love it. It's pretty cool. And in the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you guys some other tools that I like to use a lot. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later.